क्या आप भी चाहते हो अपना कपड़ों का बिजनेस? क्वेश्चन मार्क। जुड़िए केसरिया के गेटवे होलसेल मॉडल से। व्हाट्स दिस? दिस इज अ ब्रांड, Kesaria Textile Company. Yes, my friends, exactly. Here it's a brand talking about, do you want to do a business and you want to tie up with a real manufacturers Kesaria Textile Company, which you are seeing here, Hindi letters, which are the letters which is mentioned in the Hindi language. Yes, of course, I want to say before going into the video, and I want to share you the beautiful details of this online order value customers, which you can also do the online business and purchase, and you can also start this business. First of all, I want to tell you the Kesaria, which is located in Gujarat state, and in that Gujarat state, the Surat city, which is one of the biggest manufacturers for familiar, known for the diamond city as well as textile. So India having many more states, and India is supporting in the state-wise many resellers as an individual independent how they want to do the business. In this video, I'm going to take you to the how the NRI customers, if you are located and settled with PR visa, permanent residence in Canada, US, Singapore, Malaysia, you can also purchase with the online orders where the Kesaria is giving you support, and many resellers are tie up with us and they are doing a business. So I just want to take you, so subscribe the channel, keep watching this video. If you are also located one of the countries, you can also do online purchase, and you can also have this kind of services where you can see here. These are all blouse collections and the sarees which you may purchase from the Canada customer. Okay, the Canada customer, Canada address, and the cargo service is mentioned by shipping details. This is one of the customer, and this is by the German. So okay, this is German customer. He has purchased all the sarees, mixture of collection segment he has purchased. And one more collections of the video I can show you in this video, which is kurtis, lot many ready-made women apparels and suit material and chudidar collections which is purchased from the Paris, France. Okay, this is one of the customer, and I want to show you one more customer from the NRI country, which is Colombo. Okay, the Colombo, these are all NRI countries of PR residents who are settled in the countries and doing a business. Not only business, if you have a wedding, or if you want to have a fabrics, or you want to do a personal purchase, you can also do it. So subscribe the channel and you can also purchase like this way many services. And if I want to talk about Kesaria manufacturers, one of the biggest manufacturers which is located in Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 shop will be there. There is an online purchase, there is an offline purchase. When you can do offline purchase, I want to tell you. If I talk about our India, lot many states like North Indians, Tamilians or South Indians, they all come. Even though the online services are getting more huge services where they are providing you. These are all the boxes over here, and we do have an online team. We do have an online team where they have a logistic team department, and the orders, how they talk to you based on your language, based on your location, and through voice call and WhatsApp. These many collections are coming, and collections which are purchased by your customer. This is a quantity, and here is the bill, and here is the stamp details, and here is the shipping address, how the cargo services is giving by us, and these are all the quantity of the products and the barcode of the collections where they have purchased for their business. Either you can plan for the boutique, either you can do the home-based business, and you can do a side business, especially if you got retired. If you want to invest, you can invest your savings financially. If you're strong, you can invest on like this textile clothing business, and you can take a profit. And in those collections, I want to tell you, there will be a lot of boutique varieties of sarees, designer varieties of sarees, and lot many like lehengas, especially Abu Dhabi. All the countries are getting these designer lehengas, bridal lehengas, side wear, party wear lehengas. All it's getting manufactured from Surat. This is a fact, huh? You have to believe. If you want to have an experience, just in your summer vacations. You have to visit India. In that India, you can come to Gujarat. And one more thing also, Diamond City, very familiar. Many resellers and dealers also dealing with the diamond, especially from Surat. And we do have a textile manufacturers. Here, I'm going to show you the boxes where you can see the entire boxes of these collections. And I want to take you through the details. Here, there is the stickering what I've done. It's a beautiful packing which has been done. On this beautiful packing, there is a label over here. In this label, you have a billing number, your desk number, and the details, which city, state, transport, way of transport, and way of logistics. When I say logistics, either Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, you have options of either shipping services you required or cargo services required. Based on your requirement, our online team will support, and they will be mentioned once your billing has been done, how the backing is done. In this way, you will get your product based on your requirement. So no need to worry about the online order service. Kesaria is there to support you. Do you want to become a woman entrepreneur by running by lehengas, boutique resellers for Indian lehengas are very designer and fast moving selling product. So go through our website page, social media pages. Don't forget to let me know in the comment box from which country and which city you're watching the videos and what kind of collections of product you're looking for. I'm creating the videos for you. So in this way, the box are getting packed and all these services are giving you 100% with the right support with the backend team. So hope you enjoyed this video. So keep watching, subscribe the channel. Next video we'll meet up. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.